In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to sign up for a Basecamp account. Basecamp is a popular project management and team collaboration tool that can help streamline your workflow. Whether you're managing projects for work, school, or personal use, Basecamp offers a user-friendly interface with a variety of features to keep everything organized. So, let's dive right in and get you started with your own account. First things first, open up your favorite web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you prefer. Once you're there, simply type in basecamp.com into the address bar and hit enter. This will take you directly to the Basecamp homepage, where you'll find all the information you need about what Basecamp has to offer. Now, at the top right corner of the homepage, you'll notice a button that says Sign Up Free. Go ahead and click on that. Basecamp offers a trial period, which is fantastic for getting to know the platform without any initial commitment. The sign-up process is pretty straightforward, and you'll be guided through each step. You'll then be prompted to pick a package. Basecamp typically offers different plans depending on the features you need. Don't worry too much about choosing the perfect one right away. You can always change it later if you find that a different plan suits your needs better. For now, select the package that you think will work best for you and take advantage of the free trial. Once you've chosen a package, you'll need to fill out some basic information. Enter your name, your email address, and the name of your organization. If you're using Basecamp for personal projects, feel free to enter any name that represents your use case. This information helps personalize your Basecamp experience and keeps everything organized. Next, you'll see a checkbox that says, I agree to 3.7 Signals Terms and Privacy Policy. It's always a good idea to review the terms and policies to understand what you're agreeing to. Once you've done that, check the box to confirm your agreement. After you've agreed to the terms, click on the Next button. Now it's time to set a password. Make sure to choose something secure but memorable. A strong password typically includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This will help keep your account secure. And there you have it. You've successfully signed up for a Basecamp account. Once you've completed these steps, Basecamp will likely send you a confirmation email. Be sure to check your inbox, as you might need to verify your email address to fully activate your account. In conclusion, getting started with Basecamp is a breeze. This powerful tool can help you manage your projects more efficiently, collaborate with your team, and keep everything in one place. Remember, you can always explore Basecamp's features more in depth during your trial period to see how it can best serve your needs. Thanks for following along and enjoy using Basecamp.